In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access more shapes in Draw.io, diagrams.net. Draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, is a free browser-based tool for creating flowcharts, network diagrams, wireframes, and more. If you've ever opened it and thought the shape options looked a little limited, there's a simple way to unlock a much bigger library. That's exactly what we'll cover today. First, open your web browser and go to draw.io. Depending on your region, you might see diagrams.net, which is the same site. If a start screen appears asking where to save your diagram, just continue to the editor using your preferred choice. This doesn't affect the shapes you can use, it just sets where your file will live. Once the editor is open, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a column with shape categories like General or Flowchart. Scroll to the bottom of that sidebar and click the option labeled More Shapes. This opens a window that lists many additional shape libraries you can enable. You'll find categories for UML, ER diagrams, BPMN, wireframes, mind maps, and extended sets for cloud architecture such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. There are also specialized libraries for business processes, network symbols, tables, and even mockup components. Enable the libraries you need by checking their boxes. A quick tip: activate only what you plan to use to keep your workspace clean and speedy. You can always come back and turn more on later. If you're not sure which set you want, hover over the names to get a sense of their purpose, or enable a small selection and try them out. When you're done choosing, click Apply. You'll see the new categories appear in the left sidebar, neatly organized and ready to use. And that's it. Done. From here, you can drag any shape onto the canvas, resize it using the handles, and double-click to add text. As you connect shapes, Draw.io automatically offers smart connectors that snap into place, which helps keep your diagram tidy. If you don't immediately see the shapes you enabled, scroll the sidebar or collapse and expand the category headers to reveal them. You can also use the search field above the shapes list to quickly find a symbol by name. To recap, you went to Draw.io, opened more shapes from the left sidebar, selected the libraries that fit your project, and applied them. With those unlocked, you now have a powerful tailored palette for building clear, professional diagrams in less time.